YouTube channel to watch more creative and innovative videos on ReactJS. As we have gone through many videos on ReactJS, such as login and registration form using ReactJS, then form validation using React, CRUD operation using React, and many more videos on React. We also seen videos on Node.js connection to ReactJS merge stack and many more videos. Today's video is really innovative and new. It is enhancement of previous video of CRUD operation of using ReactJS. So let us go through the execution of the program first, and then we will see app file. So let us begin with the execution of the program. First of all, I will execute the program. npm start. Yes, nice screen has been displayed. Create new user. Age. Yes, it has been added. Now create operation has been performed. Now edit, I will perform edit. Instead of 55, age is 54. Yes, update operation for edit operation. Update operation has been performed. Now I will delete. Akash, I will delete. Yes, delete operation has been performed. So I have successfully done with CRUD operation using ReactJS. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. After watching this video, please share with your friends my YouTube channel. I will be back with more videos on React, merge stack, full stack, Node.js. So we'll go through the app file now. Here src directory vim, sorry, this is all about app file. Now we'll go through component directory. In that you are having array.js, then read.js, then edit.js, then home, so don't forget to subscribe my channel after watching this video. I will be back with more creative videos, more innovative videos on React, JS, Node.js, any possible AngularJS. Thanks for watching.